Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI. It presents its vision of the new artificial intelligence, based on artificial business management and artificial entrepreneurial brains. A new way of looking at artificial intelligence, that will change the world as we know it. Human intelligence and artificial intelligence. As the name implies, artificial intelligence is the result of the scientific effort to provide intelligence to machines, to replace the systematic processes carried out by humans. Today, artificial intelligence takes the form of high-speed mathematical algorithms, implemented in the different types of computers available. And it's the result of modeling human intelligence from biological neural networks, which are a fundamental part of our brains. But there's no denying that this view of intelligence is limited, as it only looks at one element of the human brain. Recently, innovative scientists, like Jeff Hawkins, have begun to look at artificial intelligence from a new point of view, integrating the structure of the cerebral cortex into previous knowledge developed for neural network. Based on Hawkins' studies, and HI's experience, Jesus Velasquez Bermudez, CSO of HI, began in 2017 the process of integrating a coherent theory to unite the concepts of neural networks, with large-scale optimization, and with structured mathematical modeling. To this end, neuroscience studies and the structure of the human brain have been reviewed. The result is a coherent theory for the implementation of artificial brains for companies, following the modeling principles of enterprise-wide optimization. This gives rise to a new vision of artificial intelligence, which HI has called decision-making artificial intelligence, which will support artificial business management. Human intelligence has evolved along with human beings. From an incipient basic intelligence, in the origins of human beings, that needed to see to believe, to a highly developed intelligence, with intuitive scientific ability, which can mathematically predict the behavior of the universe, without having to perform verification experiments. This is the case of Einstein, who, after experimentally demonstrating the theory of relativity, developed multiple theories that history was responsible for demonstrating. To understand this process, HI describes human intelligence as composed of three intelligences. Mental intelligence, basic to all human beings, oriented to the recognition of patterns, without an understanding of why it identifies them. Mathematical intelligence, which is developed by trying to understand why these patterns occur, to explain behavior in the real world. It's not innate, it requires math, starting with algebra, all the way up to parallel math, which today's big computers require. It focuses on scientific decision-making. Many humans never develop it. Creative intelligence. It is developed by privileged human beings, who learn to use mathematics to create the theories that are required for the humans to move their mathematical intelligence. Very few humans develop it. Artificial entrepreneurial brains will be able to run companies, as they have already begun to do. Albert Einstein said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge, because knowledge is limited, but imagination encircles the world." Knowledge will get you from point A to point B, but imagination will take you everywhere.